Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we're practicing the guiding hand, which is number 107 in your book. And here you've got again an example of a piece that consists of sections of the D major scale and sections of the D major arpeggio. And let's play it through and then we can make explicit where exactly scale passages appear and where arpeggio passages appear. I'll count us in for 4, so please do join me on this first playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the bow. And I think that you'll agree with me that apart from the jump from the D to the F sharp at the start of your piece, the rest of the first 3 bars is basically a scale of D major. And then you go down the scale again. And then I'm going basically down again. The first line we could almost say this is a scale of D major, so you go up, down and down again. The second section is slightly less clear, but we can see that the second bar of the second line is a D major arpeggio there, and then we get a section of a scale, and that's bar 11. And then we're going up like a scale again in bar 13. Have a little leap. Down like a scale. And I'm hoping that you'll make a habit of whenever you play a new piece is to spot the patterns of arpeggios and scales, because it will make your playing so much easier. Let's have a look now at bar 13 in your book, just the 4 bars at the end of this piece. Bar 14, you've got a 3 count note and then a single note, and that is this one. Now this note is not an important note. The emphasis of bar 14 is the first note. And you want to be very careful when you play that note, that you're not playing it too strongly. So very gently on this note, but you need a lot of bow. You need a lot of bow on that note because you've got long bows afterwards, you see. But be very careful that you don't give a big bash on that 3rd finger, because it is not an important note, but it's very risky there. I hear that quite a lot and it's just not very stylish, so be careful on this note. And the emphasis, instead of on the G, comes on the first beat of the following bar. And then you'll have a really good style of playing too. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed your lesson today, please subscribe to the channel. Many thanks, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.